Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I am going to be showing you this very simple, easy and winter makeup look. So winters are just around the corner. We need something for the face which helps in hydrating it, properly moisturizing it. Also, so pick the right product which doesn't make your makeup look patchy. So I will tell you all the hacks, tips and tricks I use for my lips and eyes in order to have a beautiful makeup this winter. So without further ado guys, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to get the winter glow, I apply a throbbing cream. So I'm just going to take a bit. So in winters our skin tends to get dry, so always go for a good moisturizer, a sunscreen and then a throbbing cream. I'm going to apply it all over our face and then we will move on to the second step. So I take two concealer. One is gonna be lighter than my skin tone, like 2 tones lighter than my skin tone, and the darker one is gonna be 2 tones darker than my skin tone. So guys, this is gonna be my personal hack. So here I have taken a shade which is gonna be 2 shades darker than my skin tone. I am gonna apply it all over my lids and under my eyes or wherever I see the pigmentation, and then gonna take shade 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, gonna apply it all over. And I always use this concealer pencil to blend it out. Take some time to do it, and that is how you are gonna make it looks very natural. So take time with blending guys, and this is a very high coverage concealer because I have lots of dark circles, so I'm gonna be good to go with this one. So take time with blending and then we will move on to second step. Now here I have taken a foundation, and this one is gonna be a very subtle one. So it is buildable guys if you want to build it, but I wanted more of a natural look, so with one pump I'm gonna be good to go. Make sure always when you use a foundation you dot it all over the face. This is how you're gonna get the coverage and which is gonna look absolutely natural. Then take a brush and start blending it out. I do not go with the sponge guys because a beauty blender doesn't work for me. With a brush I blend it out all the time and it gives me a very beautiful and a natural look. So yes, after that we will be moving on to next step. I take 2 to 3 minutes with this brush guys. This is gonna be a blending brush. I will make sure that I mention all the products links in the description box below. So guys, now I'm gonna be setting up my under eyes, and for this you can use a powder which is gonna be exact to your shade, but I go for a shade lighter because it just helps in highlighting your under eye areas. And I just go on the under eyes and over the lids with the loose powder, not anywhere else because I want the dewy look. So yeah, that's the secret. Maybe if you have like some lines here and there, then you can set it up. Otherwise you're gonna be good to go. Now we are gonna be moving on to blush. It just helps in uplifting your entire face, so that is gonna be my favorite product. So I am gonna be using a corally shade, just a bit of it. Take out the extra, apply it on the cheeks on an angle like I'm showing you this. Do this, okay? So it helps in uplifting your whole look. Just a bit of it again, and at an angle of 45 degrees to your cheeks. So guys, now we are right onto the lips. Now I always make sure that I use a contour pencil. By contour lip pencil I mean you can take a shade which is like kind of a brown according to your skin tone. So it just helps, just line your lips. It is going to be very important in making them feel plump and everything. So I make sure that every time I do the lip color I just line it up first. Now about a lip color guys, I'm very excited to share with you all. It's gonna be this Almond and Vitamin E Mama Earth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick, and the shade that I'm gonna be using today is gonna be Espresso Brown 09. It is gonna be perfect for all the Indian skin shades, and it has a beautiful hue of brown color, so it is going to be like more of a nude lip color. It stays intact on your lip for good 12 hours. It doesn't dry out your lips, and I love this very beautiful shade. I have already used a lot of it. So make sure that if you want to go for a lipstick which is going to be really healthy for your lips, and it has almond oil and it has vitamin E which helps in preventing any kind of pigmentation for the lip. So guys, this one consists of avocado oil which helps in moisturizing the lip. It has vitamin E which helps in preventing pigmentation. These ones are comfortable to wear, dermatologically tested, and comes in 13 different shades guys. And these are gonna be available on Flipkart, Amazon, Purple, Nykaa, and Mama Earth. If you use my code Ritu2022, you're gonna get extra 20% off. And the pigmentation is bomb. I'll just show you. Also, guys, Mama Earth is a plastic positive brand, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. Mama Earth has launched its loyalty program crafted for everyone, and every time you buy from them, you will get free shipping and exclusive free gifts. Also, Mama Earth has launched its own application. The link is gonna be in the description box below. Can you look at it, guys? It's such a beautiful nude shade. So with curling the lashes, guys, I make sure that I curl them at least for 30 seconds. I just hold it like that and I keep, opening the eyelashes. It's just a trick that I learned. If you do it for 30 seconds, it really helps in opening up your eyes and makes your mascara look super amazing. So you can try out this hack, guys. I'll just apply mascara now to show you the difference between both the eyes. Can you spot the difference? Just have a look at it, guys. So I'll just do the same on the other eye. So guys, we are done here. I'm gonna be wrapping up the video. This is gonna be my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It is gonna be very simple. Tag me if you recreate it. The links of the products is gonna be in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.